Now, I'm going to show you over here a way that we can divide fraction, right? I'm going to use back the same question, but I'm going to rewrite it into a different way over here. Now, let's see. I'm going to write this down, okay? 1/3 over 2/3, okay? Now take a look at this. This might look very complicated because wow, I have fraction, fraction, and fraction, right? So how do you solve this? Okay, don't panic first, alright? When you all look at this, don't panic first. What does this mean over here? Okay, I'm going to try to break this down for you to able to look this in a more simpler way. I have a fraction over here, right? And this line, I know it means a division operation. And this means I am dividing another fraction. So which means, based on that understanding, I have a fraction which is 1/3. I am dividing another fraction, 2/3. Look, is this the same as this? Yes, all right. So don't be panicked when you look at question like this, okay? You can just think one by one. What's the numerator? What's the denominator? And what does this line mean? So basically it just means like this, okay? And then from here, you can proceed with the same way and you should be able to solve the question already, right? But I want to show you some unique way that you can solve this question, right? Without going through all this. Now, because we know this is actually a division operation, there's actually one unique way that you can do over here. I'm just going to show you very quickly. All right, we know that this answer is going to be half, so you know this will give me half, right? So let's look. Now, if you encounter a question that looks like this, you can actually just do this. You can just take the denominator. You can just take the denominator over here. Yes, all right. You can just bring this up to the numerator, okay? And just take this and multiply with the numerator. Okay, I know it looks weird, but it will now look something like this. So 1/3, that's the numerator over here. Since I brought this up, that will be multiply 3 now. And this will be over. Since I brought this number up, what am I left with? With 2 over here. Okay? Now again, we have established an understanding over here. For any whole number, I can rewrite this as a fraction. I can always rewrite this as 3/1. Okay? And then if you notice, just by looking at the butterfly method, all these are cancelled out. So what's left? Only 1. So if I want to rewrite this as a fraction, so the numerator has been simplified to 1, the denominator is 2. And there you have it. Okay? So if you look at this again, don't be confused, all right? You can just take the denominator over here, right? Only the last part of the denominator. Bring this up, multiply with the numerator, and done. You have your answer, okay? But if you are unfamiliar with this way, you can always stick back to the usual way. Nothing wrong with that. You will still get the same answer, okay?